Today I'm showing you 3 simple woodworking projects kids can start, and actually finish, in a weekend. First, the scrap wood name plaque. What you need: a small board pencil, ruler, sandpaper, wood glue, craft paint, stick-on letters or stencils. Step 1. Sand the board so there are no splinters. Quick strokes, with the grain. Step 2. Lightly pencil the name line across the middle. Step 3. Stick letters or trace the stencil, then paint inside. Keep coats thin so it dries fast. Step 4. Optional. Glue a picture hanger on the back or just lean it on a shelf. Done. Confidence unlocked. Second, the no-nail bird feeder. You'll need 2 popsicle stick bundles, shallow tray cut from thin scrap wood glue, twine. Step 1. Glue sticks into 2 rectangles. These are side walls. Let them set. Step 2. Glue walls to the tray edges to make a little open box. Step 3. Tie twine around both walls like a belt and knot on top for hanging. Step 4. Paint it fun colors. Add seeds. Hang outside where you can watch. Instant backyard science. Third, the rubber band paddle boat. Materials: 2 craft sticks, a small block, 2 rubber bands, a thin square of wood for the paddle. Step 1. Wrap rubber bands around the block to make a middle belt. Step 2. Slide craft sticks under the bands, 1 each side. These are rails. Step 3. Slot the paddle in the bands at the back. Wind it up by turning the paddle. Step 4. Release in a tub. If it spins, adjust the paddle so it's centered. Pro tips: pre-drill any holes for kids, keep edges rounded, and set a glue zone with paper under it. Celebrate small wins. Name it, test it, show it off. That's how makers are made. If you want part 2, drop what project you want next. I'll build it with you.